Alright, just be natural.
Nako, yun na
Ay,
naman
nako.
tayo sa
Pwede
natural.
naman natin cut kahit magkamali or mabuti.
Yeah, ano ba gagawin?
Paano kayo nagkakilala?
Okay.
Tapos,
Maikli lang, kuya, no? Maikli lang.
And
Sige.
then, kahit mahaba.
I remember years ago, something missing in my soul. Chasing highs, yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole.
Sa punod tayo nagkakilala.
Sa nagkakilala kami sa ospital. Nagtatrabaho kami sa Kindred Hospital sa South Bay. Nag-start yun ng lumalabas lang kami kasama.
Yeah, I think yun, kikita lang kami sa hospital. I guess nag-start din yung ginayaya nila ako lumabas. Nag-hangout na kami sa labas.
Oo. Nagsimula sa group meetings outside. Kami noon,
Makain sa labas.
oo,
Nanood ng
hilig kasi
movie.
namin yun, kumain sa labas, tapos,
Nanood ng movie.
oo, nag-start sa night market, di ba? Sama sa Ate Jo.
And you feel like family to me. And you feel like family to me.
Labas-labas kami hanggang sa nag-text, chat-chat,
Mhm.
ayun. Tapos hanggang sa tinawagan niya ako, una niya ako tinawagan nung tinuruan niya akong mag-set up ng 401k ko. Kasi ako, I've been in the hospital for a year already, pero hindi pa set up yung 401k ko. Si Edward, siya yung tipo ng tao na futuristic. Gusto niya yung pera naka-invest. Ako, kabaliktaran.
Gastos lang.
Oo, ako, one day millionaire.
Everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Feel like family. Oh, finding you was just like finding home, 'cause you feel like family to me.
Totoo niyan. Matagal na kami. Siguro mga, 1 year and 7 months. 7 months. 1 year, 7 months. Pero walang may alam sa ospital. Nalaman lang nila nung nagbigay na kami ng wedding invitation. So they were all like,
Sila pala.
kailan pa? Sabi nila, hindi sila makapaniwala na. Kasi yung hospital namin is like a community hospital. Maliit lang. And mostly Filipinos. Alam mo yung Filipino sa hospital. So everybody knows everyone. Utot ng isa, alam ng isa. Chismis ng isa. It spreads like a wildfire. So ngayon, we make it to a point na di kami nagpapansinan. Minsan, napapansin na nila, niloloko nila kami sa isa, di ba? Kasi pag may admission ako, pupunta siya para tulungan ako. Sabi ko, ka na, Tito. Please ka na. Kasi napapansin nila, niloloko nila ako. Ayoko yun. Ayoko
Ayaw
kasi,
niyang tinutokso siya.
ayoko nang tinutukso ako. Siya din, ayaw niya. Ayoko na nasa amin yung spotlight. Kasi nga, maliit hospital lang. Pag sinabi namin na kami, lulukoy nila kami lagi. Kaya umabsent si ganito dahil nagde-date sila. Ayoko nang ganun. So, ayoko maepektahan yung trabaho namin dahil sa relasyon namin. So, nalaman lang nila nung
Bibigyan na siya ng
nagbigay
invitation.
na kami ng invitation.
What a wonderful life. How lucky am I? that I get to hold your pretty hands in mine. No clouds in the sky, nah, when you're by my side. It's like the sun is shining from those eyes.
Propose.
Propose.
Kasi, you know, I mean, yung, even before nag-propose, medyo yung meron na kaming napag-uusapan na namin yung eventually yung ngayong kasal, yung gano'n. But yun nga, special request niya na kung if I'm gonna, you know, when I'm gonna do it, dapat nandun yung family niya. Tsaka, you know, na, you know, witness sila. So, dun sa bahay nila, dun ako nag-propose. Witness yung family niya.
You're where I belong. With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding on like the sun in the sky, like the stars in the night. When I look in your eyes, I knew it all along. You're where I belong. Where I belong. It's true, I'm ruined by you. So over my head, what can I do? Can't even see straight without you. And I can't lie, get me so nervous, I'm better than one.
Okay na yun, kuya?
Okay na ba yun?
Oh.
Ako naman, I mean, look forward. Pero I mean, at the same time, like, hoping na yung sa relationship na ng sense of security. Like in both, you know, relationship, in terms of, you know, your health, financial, you know, yung stable lang, yung sana, you know, we'll work together para, you know,
To have a common goal.
yeah, we have a, you know, sense of security sa family natin.
You're where I belong. You're where I belong. With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding on like the sun in the sky, like the stars in the night. When I look in your eyes, I knew it all along. You're where I belong. You're where I belong. You're where I belong. You're where I belong. When I look in your eyes, I knew it all along.
We have once in a lifetime films with Mr. John Bugayong. Let's give John of the Gang a big hand, please.